Alright, today at Gresham Toyota, hashtag your gateway to adventure, we're going to discuss a simple how-to, but it seems to be something I get phone calls on all the time from customers where they kind of panicked and they don't want to delete their destination, they just want to delete the route. So we're going to go over here and take a quick peek and see how you can do that. So obviously we're going to go to our navigation and we're going to go to our destinations. Now from here, you have several ways to get your idea of where you're trying to go, whether it be the address or you have your presets. Now, if you can see, this is my personal vehicle, and I saved my home route under number 5 with a shopping cart instead of saving it under the actual go home button. Why I did this was because of some safety features. Basically, if someone got into my vehicle, they wouldn't be able to hit go home and get my address. Yes, it's still on there, but it makes me feel better on the inside. So it works. So let's hit the shopping cart, which will give me my current route. We'll have to pick. We'll take that one.
Please proceed to the highlighted route.
Now, as we all know, this lady gets a little annoying once you get to an area or a part of your destination where you know the rest of the route, and we all want to turn her off. Now, as I said, I get multiple phone calls about this, and the easiest thing to do is not to panic, but simply go in, hit destination, and then up here in the corner now you see it's highlighted, delete destination. By hitting this button, it deletes your current route. It does not delete any of your pre-saved options. It will literally, oh, it's kind of hard to do that from the screen, apologize, will literally just delete this route that was on your map. Once you hit yes, she will be quiet and you'll be able to continue your route with your knowledge of where you're at. Now let's say something was to happen and you wanted to get back to the route that you were on without having it pre-saved down here. The great thing is we've already done it once, so you would go under your previous destinations and it would show you the store, because that's what I have my home saved under. So once again, I could go to one, click that, and it would automatically bring me right back here. Yes, that sounds where I would like to go. Back on route.
Please proceed to the highlighted route.
So that takes us full circle on everything you would need to know to create, save, and delete your current destination. Thank you for watching this video. Hashtag Gateway to Adventure.